Do you ever go to bed tired, but your body still feels restless? Your stomach feels a little full, bloated, or unsettled, and you wake up not feeling fully refreshed? Well, today I want you to try something incredibly simple. You're going to take one clove right here, this tiny brown spice that's in your kitchen, put it in your mouth and chew it slowly. Let the oils release. Swallow it and see how you feel by the morning. Because while you sleep, your body shifts into repair mode, especially your digestive system and your nervous system. And if your gut is irritated or inflamed or full of that trapped gas or fermentation from the day, it can actually keep your nervous system on edge and interfere with deep restorative sleep. And this is where clove can help on two powerful levels, the gut and the brain. Clove contains a natural compound called eugenol, which has strong antimicrobial properties that help keep unwanted bacteria and yeast in check in the digestive tract, reducing excessive fermentation and gas that can cause pressure, bloating, and discomfort at night. Clove is also a carminative, meaning it helps relax the smooth muscle of the intestines so trapped gas can move, relieving that tight, distended feeling that can make it very hard for you to relax when you lie down. It also stimulates saliva, stomach acid, and digestive enzymes, helping your body break down leftover food more efficiently so it does not sit there fermenting overnight. But here's where it even gets even more interesting for sleep. Eugenol has natural anti-inflammatory and mild calming properties that can help settle the nervous system. And remember, your gut and brain are deeply connected to the vagus nerve, cranial nerve 10, the longest cranial nerve in the body. And when the gut is irritated, signals of stress and discomfort travel to the brain, keeping you in more of a fight or flight state. And when the gut is calmer and less inflamed, your vagus nerve sends those signals of safety, helping shift your body into the parasympathetic state, the state of healing, relaxation, and deeper sleep. Some people even notice a gentle, warming, and soothing effect in the body, which supports a transition into sleep. So what might you notice? You wake up with less bloating? Less morning gas, a smoother bowel movement, less nighttime stomach discomfort, and you may even feel like you slept more deeply and woke up more settled instead of wired or heavy. And here's how to do it. Just one whole clove. That's it, not a handful. You'll chew it slowly, about 20 to 30 minutes before bed, and then swallow it with some water. If the taste is too strong, you can slightly crush it up and swallow it with water. Do not overdo it, because clove is potent, and this is not for people with ulcer, severe reflux, or those on blood-thinning medication without first talking to their doctors. But for the most of us, this is a simple way to support both the gut and our nervous system at night, helping your body do what it's designed to do, while you sleep, repair, and calm down, as well as reset you. You want to try this tonight? And pay attention to how you feel in the morning, because sometimes the smallest habits before bed can make a powerful difference in how well you sleep and how good your body feels when you wake up. I wish you only the best of health to you, your loved ones, and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. Leave a comment below. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.